Hi there, students. To immure, immure. I think immured as an adjective and immurement as the noun. Okay, let's see. I think we can use this in various different ways. I think the most interesting meaning of this is to keep something within limits and to stop it developing. So if we always look back at the past and try to copy the way things were done in the past, then nothing develops, there is no progress, and our society remains immured in the past. Okay, to immure literally means to wall in. So sometimes you might find a police thriller where they find a dead body immured in a flat, bricked in, hidden behind a wall. And this is the idea of to immure, entombed but bricked off. But that itself is very technical. I guess the bodies were immured within the church, for example. But you could also immure yourself, to shut yourself away from society. He's a recluse, he's a hermit, and he keeps himself immured from society, immured, walled away, shut away, not open. Yeah, but I really like this idea of to immure, to be stuck in the past. So there are old people who who continue to live in the world that existed when they were young, and they refuse to adopt new technology or look at new things or admit the way the world has changed, and therefore they become immured in a world that no longer exists, immured within their head. I guess somebody who has an accident and they can't speak or communicate, maybe they are immured within their head. They're shut away from society. You could use this verb to immure, meaning to put in prison. So he was declared insane and was immured in a lunatic asylum for many years. Okay, so imprisoned, yeah, shut away from society without a chance to interact. And this is the idea of to immure, to confine, to intern, to shut up, to lock, to close in, to put behind bars, to trap. Yeah, and this trap idea is the one I like. So to immure, to confine within walls. Okay. Yeah, I get a feeling that boarding schools are a place where children are immured, and don't act with an external society. This is a formal literary word. I'm going to give this a 7.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation? Just about. I think informally, sealed away, locked away, trapped, something like that. So a formal word, semi-formal writing, particularly something literary or something formal itself. Cloistered, that's a good synonym. So yeah, he lived his life cloistered away from society, immured away from society. Maybe there are religious orders of monks and nuns that live immured lives. They are immured within their convent or their monastery. Okay, and then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin immurare, from inside, and murus, a wall. So inside walls, and that's the idea of to immure. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Immure, to immure, immured.